What's up, everybody? My name is Heero. This is the Stranger's Comic Book. Um, this is a place I traditionally come to be creative. And I was really debating on if I wanted to host this segment on this channel or host it on my other channel, The Identity Booth, because of just the relevance of it, right? But ultimately, I came to the conclusion that it'd be better if I put it on this channel because it's just sort of like it's a hobby. Is it a hobby? Is it a hobby? Or is it something I'm actively trying to get better at? It's something I'm definitely actively trying to get better at. But for what it's worth, I think it would fit better on this channel. So, in my mind's eye, the way I had this going was, I don't think I really planned this out all the way too well. We'll use the gaming function. Yeah, let's use the gaming function, and we'll add the tab here. So it's not something I've been meaning to do. It's something that I'm actively doing. And I've been coding on the side a lot, but like, I just jumped straight into it. I just started making projects. I just started whatever, like the first thing that came to my mind was the first thing I did every single time. And what I've come to realize is that that's cool and all, but you need to have, what is the name of this? Oh yeah. You need to have something past that. Like like I'm missing the fundamentals, so to speak. So while I'm missing the fundamentals, it's hindering me and it's making it harder for me to progress, move forward, yada yada yada. So I said, go back to basics because I think I can make money off of this. And it's easy, as the fact that I know how to take lungs out of a human body is probably bolstering my confidence a little bit too much. But I've been around computers for so long and I spend actively so much time on computers, it just makes sense to me to be interesting. I don't know what this extra part is, but we'll crop it. So we're gonna jump on, and this is a free website. I don't know which would be the best way for you guys to view this because it will look small on the screen, but we'll get it to work here in a second. But ultimately, I was like, yo, let's do this. Let's make this into a thing. Okay, yeah, here it is. And we'll bring this tab down some. But I was just like, there's no point in me like delaying it, and if I'm gonna be on this, like coding on it, might as well like show you guys how to do it, because who knows, you guys might have questions about it too. And maybe someone's watching this who's like really good, and then they can point out how I'm being really bad at something. It's all in good fun, right? But that was my idea. So now you guys got the gist of that. That was my idea. We're just gonna come here and have some fun. So I got all this stuff posted up ready. We're gonna put an hour on the clock. I'm gonna put an hour on the clock. Hour on the clock. And from the moment I say go, we're gonna go in uninterrupted for 1 hour. See how far we get. There's some music on in the background for y'all. I'm actually gonna change up the variation so y'all just keep hearing the same song. And I don't know, we'll come back to it. And I'll try not to be boring, but I'm gonna just be reading out and talking about what I'm seeing and what I'm doing in real time. All right, so let's do this. Wait, hold on. I'm not ready. I had a miniature panic attack because I know I'm sharing my screen somewhere. So I guess I didn't want all my information out in the public. I got some awesome videos to upload. The identity booth has been going numbers, gang numbers, you feel me? Super happy to see the growth on that channel finally, like, prospering. And I don't want you to feel like you're being cheated, but I did, like, start, I think I'm on, like, puzzle 4. Maybe I should put this stuff in the bottom. No. Or better yet, let's, so we're not hindering it, let's just put this down here. Whoops. I clicked the wrong thing. Okay. Alright. Alright. We'll get this up. And we're just gonna have fun with it, okay? Maybe I'll bring this over to the other channel, but I feel like it's a very hobbyish type thing, and that channel is more very, it's like very serious. Like, I'm in your face, trying to fight. But I guess I should stop wasting people's time. But I don't know how fun it would be watching someone learn how to do a skill that they're not really good at. But I guess this is also for all the people who wanted to be like, how did you get so good with this? How do you get so good with that? You want to know the truth? I did this. All right. Wait, where'd my headphones go? I feel very discombobulated. There we go. All right. So where was I? Okay, and you guys can see my mouse, so that's really good too. We have updated your preference. Thanks. And I'm using freecodecamp.org. I didn't really take much into looking it up. It was like 2 major ones you had a choice of, and this one was the most free. It was genuinely free, so that's why I'm using it. There's the link in the chat. I'm on lesson 4, but basically I chose to take the route of front-end developer. Front-end developers, the people who basically see what you're using. So front-end developers, the web design, the graphics, the pictures, the things like that. And so it's starting right now. The first lesson was just simply a title, and the way you make a title, I don't remember this being up here, but the way you make a title is whatever this is. You guys can see the stuff I'm highlighting. Oh wait, no, you can't because this stuff's in the way. So let's put this stuff a little higher. What is that? Link tree. Let's lock link tree so we don't click on that. And I haven't shut off my computer in like a day, so all my shit is. Are you kidding me? I forgot to lock up the tabs. Yep. Maybe I should have done all of this before I went live. Am I showing how nervous I am right now? Because I feel like I'm showing how nervous I am right now. All right, so I gotta find this, and I believe it's in here. Blech. Yeah. Okay, we can lock up this. We don't need this. Hmm. What happened to the other song? He's not a fighter like you. Oh, 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 oh. All right, cool. All right, this isn't giving me what I want, so we'll just move on. Basically, and you need this. The hello world is very simple. But the thing that I didn't know, even though I now know it now, and this is testimony to how good it is, um, the backslash is how you end these conversations. I never knew that. I just did it because that's what I saw being done. And you can conflate them to being. Wait, it's giving me the opportunity. Now y'all can see it there. And all right, cool. Yeah, let's just leave that there. And that's what something that's different. So the backslash piece. So I basically made that. Then we now know, like, okay, H2 is the subtitle. It's like the subtitle. So H2 is universally known. And these are like things that people have put into practice. But if you don't know or you've never been told, you just continue to think about it. So we're doing it on front end. All right. So we're starting. We got 1 hour. No distractions. And then the second one was P Kitty. So this is like a paragraph or stuff that they would put into it. But like you don't want to write a whole entire, like what if the paragraph is like 300 sentence, like a 300 word sentence? You don't want that all in your code. So you can put like what is that? Ipsy, I believe. Ipsy Dollar, which basically does that for you. It fills that with reminding people that later on you're going to come back here and fill in information. And that's where I ended yesterday at 11 o'clock. So starting from here, commenting is a way that you can leave comments for other developers within your code without affecting resulting output. So this is something else that I can do, but I never knew what it was called. Resulting in output that is displayed to the end user, which would be the person on the back half side. So if you wanted to communicate that, that's super useful. Commenting is also a convenient way to make code inactive without having to delete it entirely. That's also another nifty thing. I guess I should, not should, but would come in handy if you were like on some chill shit, just trying to, code something and like it didn't work, but it's like messing up your whole entire code. That's actually genius. That's low-key actually genius. So that's pretty nifty, man. Comments in HTML start with an exclamation mark. Oh, so I guess that's where this came from, because that's the first thing I asked. So like, what is that? And end with a dash arrow. Uncomment H1, H2, and P elements. Your H1 element should be visible on the page by uncommenting it. So they want me to uncomment your H1. They want me to uncomment H1, H2, and P. So all I would really be doing is then pushing it up here, right? So just copy this, delete it, go up to 7, space, Control V. Would that be what they want? Run test. Oh, I was right. All right, so you can see the joy that I'm gaining from this. Submit and Control Enter. All right, so like this is definitely on par with like what I would want. Oh, and this side is showing me what it really looks like when it's completed. Okay, now I remember that. Now I remember that. All right, so they redid it. Okay, remember that in order to start a comment, you need to use \, exclamation mark, and end the comment, you need to use the arrow. Okay, here you'll need to end the comment before your H2. All right, and if I'm ending it, your comment out your H1 element and your HP2, but not your H2. Okay, so comment out your H1. So I need to get rid of this one. Comment out and your P, but not your H2. So really, so let's just go Control Copy here. So we can go 3, get this one out of there. But they're saying I should leave H2 in. So I'm gonna leave that there because it's already here, and just copy this one up here and add it here. And that should work. I'm coding, you guys, look at me. And this is super elementary, like I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing this appropriately. You feel me? Like that's the thing. I don't know if it's appropriate. Whoops. Don't tell me the free part's over because I still have 54 minutes. Oh, okay. Delete HTML elements. Our phone doesn't have much vertical space. Let's remove the unnecessary elements so we can start building our cat photo app. Delete H1 so we can simplify our view. Delete H1. Like the whole entire thing. Your H1 element should be deleted. Your element 2 should be on the page. Element should go. All right, let's just hit delete. Whoops. All right. And it's just a multitude test, and I feel like it's a very good give and take reward because it rewards you every time you finish. Like it gives you this, yo, you did it. You did it. All right, HTML5 introduce more descriptive HTML tags. These include main. I know what main is. Header. I know what header is. I know what footer is. Nav. Is that like arrow to go up and down? Videos. I know what that is. Articles and then sections. I know what that is. And others. The tags give you descriptive structure to your HTML, make your HTML easier to read, and helps with search engine optimization. See SEO. I know that. And accessibility. The main HTML5 tags help search engines and other developers find the main content of your page. Examples: usage a main element with 2 child elements nested inside it. So a main. Oh, so like when I'm writing all of this code and I put it as a main, that kind of helps differentiate like what is it being used for. Like you could put like this is the main page of one. This is all the stuff that's on page one. Main page two. This is all the stuff that goes on page two. Okay, okay. No, many of the new HTML5 tags and their benefits are covered in applied accessibility section. Create a section P with the following kitty ipsinu text. What? How do you say this word? Ipso text. Right? Am I saying that right? Hold on, let me hear it again. Ipsum text. All right, ipsum text. Ipsum text per jump. Then create a main element and nest only 2p elements inside the main. Ooh. All right, so this is a little bit. Create a second p element. All right, so let's just follow the instructions. Boom. Enter. Let's give it some space. So we're gonna go this p, this close. And we're not gonna put in the whole thing. We're just gonna put in this. So we're gonna copy here. We're gonna paste here, and then we'll p. No wait, it's backslash first. It's backslash p close. Whoops. All right. Then create a main element and nest only 2p. All right, so the way we create a main element is like this. Typing is fundamental. I'm spelling words wrong. So the end of this, enter backslash main backslash. I feel like that was too easy. So, and then it gets down here, it actually gives you like a word for word what you gotta do. You should have 2p, you have 2p elements with kitty ipsum text. I do have that. Each of the p elements should have closing tags. They both have closing tags. Your p element should contain the first few words of a proverb additional. Yeah, I got that. Your code should have one main element. The main element should have 2 paragraphs. Oh, okay, so they want this up here. So they actually want this up here. So let's copy this, delete that. So let's copy this, delete that, and let's put it here. All right, this should be what they want. So let's run. A lot of space in there. I guess it's also an important thing to remember, like proper coding technique, like coding accuracy, like. So let's take away some of this space because we need to have this space here. All right. You can add images to your website by using the image element. I know that. The point to a specific image's URL is using the src elements, and the point to a specific image's URL using src attributes. Specific. What does src mean though? An example of this would be image base src equals free canvas. Okay. Note the image elements are self-closing. Oh. All image elements must have an alt attribute, which is where the src comes from, I'm assuming. The text inside the alt attribute is used to screen read, for screen read to improve accessibility and is displayed if the image failed to load. Oh, so that's like when you try and look up something and it doesn't work. Is that what it's for? And like you see that broken image, but if you right click on it and expect it, it'll show you the span of it. That's what that is. Note, if the image is purely decorative, using empty alt attribute is a best practice. Ideally, alt attributes should not contain special characters unless needed. Let's add alt attributes to our image. Example above. So what they want me to do is let's try to add an image to your website, okay? Within the existing main element, insert an image element before the existing P. Okay, so I'm working there, and this is in my main, so it would be in my main. Okay, so now set up your src attribute so that it points to the URL. Finally, don't forget to give your image element an alt attribute. Your page should have an image element. Okay, your image should have a src. Oh, okay. And this business, cats wearing necktie. Okay, so let's just begin here then. All right, so first things first is, because we know it's an image, so we need this backslash img space src equals quotation mark https, what's that, backslash www.freecatphotos. I'm spelling photos wrong. Photo app .com / your minus image period jpg. Ha ha! Yo, the cat showed up once I finished typing. That just made me excited. That just made me excited. The cat showed up. The moment I hit the keyboard, the cat showed up. Oh, we're gonna have some fun with this. Can you guys tell we're gonna have some fun with this? All right. Hey, get out of my way. I'm trying to type. All right. So where was I? JPEG. And I know I could have copied this. Whoops. I know I could have copied this. Technically, this shouldn't have worked because I used the wrong thing. So I guess they have to match, but I'll make them match just like I did then. And then it comes back. Interesting. Okay, so if I kept them the same, they would have worked. But anyway, alt equals and as soon as you use alt equals, it gives you the thing already. A biz, and this is like, I guess, notifying business, cat wearing a necktie. right? Yeah. Okay. A necktie, period. And then we can close this out. Boom. Okay. Run code. Oh wait, something's wrong. Your image should have a SRC attribute that points to the kin image. Finally, don't forget image to give your image and element attributes. Uh-oh. I forgot this. Is this the part that is this the thing I forgot? Uh-oh. Alright. First, I'm 6 set lessons in, and this is the first time my joint is crashing. So let's figure out what's going on. It has something to do with the SRC. Oh wait, I didn't even finish it. Oh, I'm definitely not using the right anything. Like, so the URL should actually be this. Yeah, I think I'm using the wrong one. That's why it's not. I literally just typed the one they gave, like the exam. I typed the example, not the one they wanted me to type. Okay, I like the necktie one better. Let's see if that was what they wanted from me. Yeah, I was just using the wrong one. But I definitely think the necktie one was better. Can I petition this? That was pretty cool seeing that shit pop up. It did put a smile on my face. Alright, link to external pages with anchor element. You can use you can use a anchor element to link to content outside of your web page. A element need a destination website address called RF. How do you say this? Oh, it just spells it out. HREF, href. That sounds cooler. Attribute. They also need anchor text. Here's an example. Href, href. So the A lets you. The ahref is where you can put the link, and this is where the link comes. This is a link to Freedom Combat. Okay, and then you have to open and close it. Then your browser will display this text. This link is to freedom.org, and the link you can click, and link will take you to the website web address. Okay, it's like a hyperlink or an embedded link. Okay, so they want us to create one for this. So we need this a href equals maybe I should have put this. Oh wait. Your element should have an anchor. You need an A element that links to. Okay, so you don't need to. In my mind, I thought I had to fit this all in one, but you don't have to fit into it because it understands. Like, so you just needed to then say HH. Oh wait, am I spelling it? I know I don't have to type this out, but I just need to practice not looking down at the keyboard as much. Is that such a thing? www.freecode. No, free cat. No, I'm spelling free code. Free code camp. Where's P? .org. All right. All right, and then I just need to close it out. And do I have to close out each one, like similar to how I do A? Right? Uh-oh. Your A element should have the anchor text of cat photo. You need an A element that links to this. So maybe take out this part. This part is probably what's hurting me. Is this thing really eating up? Well, I haven't restarted my computer in like 3 days. Should have closing tags. This links to look, it's moving the picture. This links to free code app, free code camp.org. Okay. I don't like how close it is, but I think that's what they wanted me to do instead. Or not. Oh wait, no. Your should have a closing tag. Alright. Your A element should have an anchor text of cat photo. I don't know. Okay, wait. Your A element. I'm doing that same dumb step. I'm putting code camp. It should be this. So I guess that's like something I have to be paying attention to. And has the cat photo. Okay. Yeah, I'm using the example instead of doing what they're telling me to do. Cat photo. Yeah. I should be following this instruction down here. You need an A element that links to. What do you mean I need an A element? Then your browser will display this link to the link you can click and it will take you to the website. Create an A element that links. I don't know what else they want me to do. Let's get some help. It's a hint. Or what's another thing? An older version of me is gonna be screaming at myself. All right. Link to external page with anchor element. You are asking. Opening tags. I'm actually like stumped. Or maybe I should put it at 7. I'm gonna put this part. Put this part in here. Okay. Put this up. Nope. Let's watch a video. Let's see if the video will be any good. This video is shit. I can't believe my computer's like struggling this much, but I haven't turned it off in a week, so. All right, let's read this critically, kid, because it can't be this hard. You can use A to link to content outside of web page. Okay. Maybe I should put this as. That's not what they want. They want it to look like this, and it does look like this. Yes. Any element that links. Or maybe they want this to go below it. just change the position of it. Let's run this one. You need an A element that links to. I am baffled. Hold on, this is like actually hurting my head. Hmm. Hmm. Oh wait, maybe they're asking for more, and I'm just not aware because I'm a dunce. Alright, but that's what mine looks like. So apparently I'm missing something. So let's try this again, shall we? Alright. So we're going A href equals copy. Boom. Alright, my cat's back. Where do you put anchor text? Is okay, I'm assuming anchor text. Can I put anchor text here? I doubt that. Oi, oi, oi. All right. One of the tips I got is if you can't find it, Google it. So that's what we're about to do. There's a whole entire GitHub page about this, so that's crazy. Everything shows to be done. The hyperlinks look like this. And then it's immediately a bunch of people saying that code is not correct. That's hilarious. I got that part. Is there anything on YouTube about this? Did they really just bring me back to you mother? Opening tags. Sometimes in your workflow you don't want a live link or want to have the dead link. maybe I do have the wrong one altogether. It can't be this. Or it might be because I literally just copied the wrong one. Need an A element that links to. How do you make an A element? GitHub. Oh, yo, what up, Art? Art, what is this A element they want me to put in? Oh, wait. Is it as simple as just putting in a link? Is this all they really want from me? Because I'll give them this shit. It can't be this simple. Link. It can't be that simple. Is this all they really want from me? It can't be that simple. It can't be that simple. No, it's definitely not. An A-element should have an anchor. Cat photos. Art is literally. Oh wait, am I doing that dumb thing I'm doing again? Yeah, I am doing that dumb thing that I'm doing again. Link rep. This should actually say this. Yeah. So let me correct this dumb mistake first. If that link word was the only thing I'm missing, oh no, I'm still missing something. Freecatphotos.com. Alright, got that part. It should say cat photos. Got that part. Damn it, I only got less than 10 minutes. You gotta figure this shit out. Element should have the anchor text. Your A element should have the anchor text. Okay. But where do you want it? Go back to GitHub. Because I feel like GitHub got me the closest to it. Link H. Or do they want to preface that? Like, do they want to link aref to free? Create an A. They got a whole forum dedicated to this from 2018. So, all right, it can't be that simple, right? It can't be that simple. Oh man, I got lags on here. Sheesh. You need an element that links to. Okay. Can you post the code to describe what you're finding difficult? should create an anchor. Okay. First, write the cat photos as you would in a normal div. Then you just wrap the anchor. Wrap an anchor. Wrap an anchor, tag around it, and add the link. That doesn't make any sense to me. You should create an anchor element. It is, you're overthinking it. The fuck I am? What you mean I'm overthinking it? I'm literally... No way. Okay, at this point, fuck it, okay, I know what I have to do. Go here. Inspect. Inspect, because we're doing front end, right? So with that in mind, we can just look at the freaking code. Link relocation, raw, meta, name, viewpoint, style, header. Yeah, you can do this with any page, guys. That's my Grammarly stuff. Okay, photos. No. Body. No. Styles, maybe? Color, body, text. No. My guesstimation was wrong. Oh wait, here we go. That's the title. We got that. We got that. We want really... I don't even see the thing that it's asking me to look at. Arthur, why you laughing? Write the code. Arthur, why you sitting here laughing at me? Write the goddamn code. I got less than 5 minutes. Arthur, come on. No, this is useless. Okay, they wrote it here. Equals lobster. The above code is not correct. No shit, Sherlock, thanks. This is not ours either. Please check if you're using the extension of your infected PC, which injects them into web pages. This is also case and copy and paste the code from the same place that we had above. Change to links. I got 2 minutes left. This is gonna be tragic. I'm literally being defeated on level 6. this is not how it ends. Please tell me this is not how it fucking ends. And Arthur's sitting back laughing at me. There has I'm okay. Where's YouTube? We're not going out like this. Less than a minute. Stop inspecting stuff. Arthur came in here just to laugh at me. We will have our revenge, Joe. No. I don't want to search this. We want to search this. Fuck. Alright. No, I'm out of time. Stop. Damn it. Oh, okay. I just need to see what it looks like. Win, lose, or draw. And this is literally a person's screen of it looking correct. And then we're gonna reset our computer and we're gonna come back and play on the guitar. Arthur, you can come back and laugh at me at that one if you want. Okay, this dude is literally teaching me. Okay. Alright, put off the music. Already taking 7 minutes to do this. Stop reading this goddamn. I did that. Okay, he is confused too. Yeah, mine had that too. Yeah. Okay. Get to it. Oh wait, should I not have put it the? Are you fucking me? Is it just because I had it in the wrong spot? Alright, screw this link part, because I knew it was too good to be true. Is it just simply because I have it in the wrong spot? Oh, you motherfuckers. Oh, you dirty motherfuckers. Oh, I hate this goddamn. Oh, how I hate this place. Yo. All because it was in the wrong spot. Positioning is important. We've learned a valuable lesson here today. But I've completed my mission. Oh, you dirty. Oh, you dirty motherfuckers. That one burns. That one burns a little bit. You know what? It's all right. We'll let him have it. We'll let him have it. We're gonna be back. I'm gonna shut down the computer because I haven't shut it down. I'm gonna restart it, get some apple juice. Hey, look, you didn't, Arthur. You didn't say you didn't have nothing to do with this, so I'm not even trying to hear your false equivalencies. Arthur out here talking like he actually helped me. You know, dang well he didn't know what was going on. But it's alright. I appreciate the 3 people that stuck with me. I'm gonna be back in like 20 minutes to play the guitar. I'm gonna go get a snack. We got stuff to do this week. We're gonna upload some videos. We're gonna edit, but I want to pull out the guitar. Maybe I should draw first. I don't know. It just depends on how I feel. But let's grab a snack real quick. We'll be back. I appreciate y'all hanging with me. Look, my stuff lagging, just lagging out of control. Top down. I guess you do have a point. They did say that in the beginning. Top down. All right. Arthur has a point, but we're not giving him no credit. I'll catch up with you guys a little bit. Thanks for hanging out with me. Peace. Oh, we had a good viewing session here.